Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful January 9th, 2022, and I wanted to show you something that I haven't looked at in a long time, and this is the Tommy Tooter game. Now, I know there has been a lot of talk on the board about getting this game back together, and that, also complaints about, because you can do things like walk on top of the rock or you can walk on water. There's all kinds of little quirks in the game like that, and the collision detection, which I remembered, it's not that great. I mean, there's some kind of collision detection. Let me see if I can show you. But is a car gonna come down the street? Say, look at that! Look at that! The car's honking. I'm not even in the road, and the car. Oh, look, another car hit me. Um, so there's all kinds of little things. But honestly, I haven't looked at this game in Jesus, probably almost a year and a half. October 2020 was the last time I really looked at this game any kind of seriously. Bag of crack. How do I pick it up? Is it P? P? I don't even remember how to play the game. All right, let me get somewhere because I'm going to die soon. Now I know I can go into the hospital, and I believe I can get. Let's see. You don't belong behind the counter. Check in for your day spa. Yes, it will cost $25 to restore your health. Yes, I need to be healthy. No thanks. Let me go ahead and spend the $25. You're all set. Be careful out there, and let's get out of here. So, oops, no, I don't want to do that. And I remember I put an NPC somewhere over here. He is. So one of the things I was working on before I kind of abandoned the game was allowing. So here I am. This is the Tommy Tucson walking back and forth, and this guy, I don't know if I had the mouse turned on, but the guy that Tommy Tucson's standing next to, you can actually talk to him, and that is indeed 7. And you can. How do I interact with them? Right? How do I interact? Do you want to quit the game? No. I don't remember how to interact with these people. Let's see. P. I have no items. I'm going to have to go look at the code to see how to interact with them. That's how bad it is. And this would be a good exercise for everybody here to look at the code. Not that I'm going to explain the code because, you're going to be, this is just a bunch of code and the code nerd stuff. So I'm not going to do that. Let's see. Where would it be? Inventory, mobile window, game screen, inventory window. At some point, I do load this inventory window, and I just need to figure out where. Let's see. Inventory. No. So what I'm trying to do. Okay, here we go. Keyboard I. So this is where all the commands that I can use in the game are defined. So keyboard I, as I just found out, gives you the inventory data. So A performs an action, pick an item up. Okay, you can push dot, you can push space. So space will go into a zone. That's all space does. So escape will escape out, up, down, left, right. So anything else? Period. A, I, H, 9. The number 9. Okay, this was like a little magic. This was a cheat thing. This probably should be surrounded by debug flags. But that was like a little. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. That was a little cheat window just for helping while I'm working on the game. Number 0. The left bracket and the right bracket. So I guess the letter I want is A to. Well, what do I want to interact with 7 here? Oh, it's A. Okay. Oh, hi, Tommy boy. How does your hobo hole feel? I know I was a little rough on you that night. LOL. Maybe you can help me. Do you know where I can find some weed? If you bring me a bag weed, I'll pay $20. And if you're feeling horny, let me know. I miss that dirty hole. So now you're on a mission. And it doesn't say. It would be nice to have up there where it says, Seven's former lover, or somewhere on the screen, say like, find bag of weed for your former lover, Seven. Oh, did I pause? There we go. So that would be something that would be useful. But what I was saying, let me go back to Seven. So you interact with him, and there is he's not moving. He's sitting still. He's just kind of hanging out there doing nothing. So it would be one of the things I was working on was being able to have him just kind of moving slightly while he's just standing there waiting for Tommy to come talk to him. And then, you could change his state. So maybe once you give him the weed, he actually starts smoking the weed or something like that. There's all kinds of possibilities. But that was what I was working on. But in lieu of, or not in lieu, but in tandem with the changes I was making for that, you would see things like the increased collision detection. Because right now, like on this, those cars shouldn't be stopping because they're hitting Tommy. And I know exactly why that's happening. It's just not as trivial or as easy as you would think to fix. It's I used to have a way to, let me see. I thought there was a way that I could draw the boxes. I thought I put that on there. Let me see. Obtain all items on the map occur. There used to be a way that I could draw the space that goes into the zone. Escape. Anyway, so the way that the collision works, toggle highlight, I think that's it. Yeah. So this is the actual box that is used for collisions, and you can see everything that moves has a box. And the problem is the box that the car uses is it's not correct. And the reason it's not correct is, see how, let me get another car. I'll explain. Need another car coming down this road. Okay. No, it's not gonna make sense like that. People are gonna be like, that doesn't make sense, it's so stupid. Okay. See how the car is going from left to right, and the box is of a certain size. So the car goes, now the car's gonna turn, it's gonna go either up or down. So when it turns, the box stays the same size, even though the car itself looks smaller. Its collision box is the same size. So one of the things that I need to do, where you configure the sprite animations, now you can see the Tommy Tucson sprite is already animated, but I wanted a way to be able to define animations for things that are just sitting on the on the map. But in addition to that, one of the things that would come along with that redesign would be being able to redesign these collision boxes so that Tommy could stand over here on the road, and then the car could go down the street and they wouldn't collide. Because you can see even the box that Tommy is in is really big. And one way to illustrate that is if I go over, let's find a bag of weed. I think there's one. Oops, god damn it. It's not easy avoiding these cars. There's the playground. Make sure. Alright, I just wanted to make sure I was recording audio this whole time I've been talking. Where is the bag of weed? Oh, there's one over by the college. Where's the college? There's the college. So there it is. So here's the bag of weed. So I can pick that up. Is that with A? Okay, I picked up a bag of weed. Alright, now, if I can get back to 7 without dying, there he is. So you can see even 7 has a collision box, and that, because you need to know, oh gosh, I'm going to pump up my health. Because you need to know when you can interact with 7. So here he is, and you can see that the little message of saying 7, your former lover, has an offer. doesn't come until those boxes are right next to each other. So let's see what happens. All right, so we've given Seven the weed, and then I guess he gave me $20. I didn't check to see how much money I had before then. So anyway, but you know, I did walkthroughs of the game already. How did I do that? There we go. Yeah, this is. I'm just happy I got the game to build on Mac with new libraries. I think later today I'm going to start working on my Windows machine. There's other reasons I need to start working on my Windows development machine. So I might go ahead and throw this on here as well, trying to get it to work on Windows. And if I can do that, and then I can get the sprites working, the animations working like I want, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I have some travel coming up, and I tend to do a lot more side projects when I travel. So I don't know. I've been a little inspired to rework on this, mainly because the subject of the game is an endless wealth of material for the game. I mean, you know, I could picture this character saving up a PT Cruiser, and then you can get in the PT Cruiser and drive around. So, you know, things like that. And then, you know, of course it breaks down and you need money to fix it, or you need to sell it or something. But so like I said, there's an endless wealth of source material for this game. So I might go ahead and pick this back up. I'm going to post this video on the board soon, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and fuck all of you, and I'll talk to you soon.